I'm Mattei from MATTEIREALTY.ca. Welcome to the city above Toronto, Vaughan. We live here. Vaughan's growing infrastructure is making it a more and more appealing place to live every day. On top of that, we've got a beautiful home at 54 Roxana that I'd love to show you. So please come on in and have a look. There are two walkouts from this custom-built sunroom that lead to the family room, which has a wet bar, and a full-size eating kitchen with breakfast area. In addition to that, the main floor offers a rough-in for main floor laundry, full bath, and a living room, dining room. Let me show you some other areas of the home. Get comfortable in the primary suite of Roxana Avenue. It features a full ensuite bath, walk-in closet, and a walkout to a large balcony. We're in the lower level of Roxana Avenue. It features a separate entrance from the garage, full bathroom, kitchen, spacious rec room, and the option for 2 bedrooms. If you're looking for an extended family situation or again, additional income, this is a perfect opportunity. Thank you for taking the tour of this exceptional home. If you'd like to know more or see more, please contact me at MATTEIREALTY.ca or info@MATTEIREALTY.ca. I'm Mattei.